Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University.
Hello dear viewers, I hope all of you are doing well. In this lecture, I have come up with an amazing exercise. I am sure each one of you know about the crossword. We are going to do a crossword that is related to prepositions of movement. We have learned various types of prepositions, and the last one which we learned is preposition of movement. What we are going to do is, we are going to do this crossword. We are going to solve this crossword. I request each one of you to sit with a pencil and a paper, look over here, the puzzle which is given over here, the crossword which is given over here, we will solve it together. So, basically there are two things when it comes to crossword. The one, this kind of rows are called across, and this kind of columns are called down. So, we are going to solve it. How will we do it? We will look at the first. There are these numbers are given over here, and against it there is a picture which is given over there. We have to identify those pictures, that what does that picture indicate, and based on that we will solve this whole puzzle. So can you guess which is the first one? This across one, it's given over there. I'm reading it for you. Blank, blank, T, blank. Which one do you think it is? Do you think the movement is going inside and it's getting into a physical touch? So movement to an enclosed one or something that is going inside and coming in touch is which preposition? Do you remember? It's into. So what we will do? We will write over here. It is in to. It is P which is already given over there. Let me rub this if I is not properly visible to you, and it is into. Alright, the first across is done. Now if you see this down one, it's which one? It is the second one. So which does it show? Can you see the picture? Which one is it? The second one? It is, do you remember? Can you identify? Can you try to identify it? It's movements in the direction of something or somebody. When movement in the direction of something like this or like that, what would you call it? I am going towards that side. I am going towards that place. So it would be towards. T is already given to us. Let's fill this. T O W A R D S. Toward. Fine. So next one. The fifth one we see over there. Across one, or maybe we can take up another one. Let's take this sixth one. What is it? Can you tell me? What does this show? This sixth one? Try to identify it. This one. This is the sixth one. This one. It's going, it's moving or passing something from where it started. Suppose it starts from here and it goes there. So it is going away from this. Do you remember? So let's fill that one. A W is already given over there. A W A Y F R O M. Away from. Now if you see this one, OFF is already given there, which means we can look somewhere over here Which one is this? Can you check that? I am talking about this fourth one. Which one is it? This one. It's off. O-double-F. Off. But this you are sure about. This one. Something is here. O is already given to us. So, this down one which we want to do. Something is the in fourth one. Right? If you see this one, when from the top something is moving below, it is called down. Now, we already hint over here. This is I, this is N, and this is O. We can fill this one. Yes. Which one is it? Something is going this one is eighth one. If we see the eighth one from top, from below, it is coming on top. From below, it is moving on top, which means if something is going in and the movement is physical touch over there, it's into. So from bottom, it's going on top, it is onto. Let's do that one. Onto is already done for us. Yes. Now, if you see this one, this is also the easiest one. Yes. Which one is it? Across one. Let's do that one, 12th one. It's going P. You already know it. It's up. I'm sure you are able to do it. Now, if you see blank H, blank blank, U blank H, I'm sure you know which one is it. If you see the 10th one, you are able to see it. Yes, this across 10th one, this one. You know it well. Which one is it? It is T H R O U G H. It is through. Yes, we have tried to complete many of them. Into is completed. Then towards is also completed. Yes. Then away from is also completed. Onto is also completed. Yes. Then comes this one, or maybe this one. Let's do that one. 5th one, and it is down one. This one. Yes. Try to think which one is it. Think about it. Which one is it? Try to think about it, and let me also think of it. Yes, I am able to remember it. It is across. Yes. Is it? Let's check that. Yes, we did it. And it is correct one. Yes. Now, which one is left for us? This one. Let's try to think about it. The first one is done. Second one is also done. This is 5th one. Now, which one is left? This one. This you know, I'm sure. Below one, 7th, below one. Try to find where is it. No. This one you know. This is not the across one. No, we did it wrong. This is not that. Across is where? This one. This is the 5th one. I wanted somebody to check that. Yes. Now the first one is O, last one is R. Then which is the sixth one? When you see this one, it is over. Yes. Over something, bridge. You remember the one which we had learnt? Yes. It's now done. Now 1, 2 and 3 are left. Now, and one is also over somewhere here. Yes, this one. Let's do that one. I am unable to see that one. Yes. Here it is. Here it is. It is left behind, which means it is past. Is also past this. Yes, you remember? Now, these two are left and I am confused what to do with that. Let's see. Yes? Can somebody find it? These two I'll give in the homework. Now, let's understand each of them. Is this clear to you? All of them, these two are left. This one we did. Past wala we did. This one. This we did. Right? And through we also did. Here. Yes? This one is left. This one is left. This one is left and this one is left. Across one. Yes. This one. Are you able to find it? This one is which one? When it starts from somewhere and it goes from here to here, which one is it? You will have to think about it and then you answer it to me. You see, it's moving round circle and circle. Then which can it be other than that? It is nothing but 3. A, R, O, U and D. It's 6 letters and this is here. So, it can be around. Yes, and we almost did it. And if you see this one, it is what? Below something. What can it be? Tell me. Something is below, it's going, it's moving. What can it be? It is nothing but under. And we are almost done with it. We solved it. Now we are going to do it again. Okay, I'll just make you understand. The first one, let's see. We will do each of the pictures and we will learn what does it indicate. Okay, I'll make you understand. We have already done it, but now we will one more time learn it. Fine? Meanwhile, you try to see each of the pictures and do it. See the first one. What does it signify? First across one. The first one. This one. What kind of movement is it? Tell me. What kind of movement is this? Tell me. What kind of movement it is? It's a movement to an enclosed space. It's going to touch something. It's going to be in physical contact with somebody, something. And it's going in. So, it's called into. Fine? Now this one, think about this one. What does it signify? Tell me. What does it signify? The second one, sixth one? It's going below, which means it is down. When something is moving from top to below, it's called down. This one, when from below to top something is moving, it is called onto. You are jumping onto the bed. Fine. When something is passing from something, when something is passing from one side to another side, it's called across. Then this one, when something is passing from below, it's called under. This one, when something is passing from one side to another side but not coming in physical touch, it's called what? Tell me. The next one, not in a, this is passing from, this not across, is passing from. Above there is a surface, below there is a surface, from in between it is passing, but this is passing from one side to another side, but it's not in between. This is called over. Okay. And the last one, tell me. When something is passing from one side to another side, but out of that side, it's not from in between or not from above, but taking a circle, not from the one side to other side. It's called what? Tell me. Through. Through. I hope that's clear. Fine. Let's move to the next one. This one. This is now down one. Now, when it comes to towards, when it is moving in the direction of something, from here this pen is moving over there, it's called towards. Then comes the next one, this, from top to below, what it is called? Tell me what it is called. Towards is done. The next one, it's called below. Fine, but if not below, it can be down also. Right, here that was down. Then comes the next one. This one. Tell me that one. Which one is it? You remember, it is across. Then come the next one. This you know. Tell me which one is it? I am also forgetting. No, I want you to remember. Tell me. This is towards. Yes. This is what? This is below. This is what it is. You remember I had told you circle circle wala? It's called around. Yes, around one. Then this is down. Then something is from inside, it's coming outside. So it's called out. Yes. And this is going from below, it's going where? Up. This one we did. You remember UP, this one? Here? Yes. This is up. And the last one. So it's called past. Behind. Past. I hope this one is clear to each one of you. Now, if you have any doubts, if you are not able to understand any of them, you can post it in your comment box. I'll try to answer each one of you. Thank you for joining this session. We will again come with the next unit next topic. Thank you for joining us.
स्वाध्यायः